Designing and specifying electrical distribution equipment for end users is already a complicated endeavor. Voltage, power, and short-circuit current ratings need to be understood. Environmental conditions into which the equipment will be installed drive enclosure ingress protection ratings. Seismic requirements may create even more complexity in the mechanical design. There must also be an understanding of what is required to comply with relevant national and local codes and standards. Client preferences for particular devices, simplicity of operation, and industry-specific safety regulations must be factored in. Energy efficiency considerations may play a significant part in design choices to lower long-term operating costs. Additionally, the client's overall budget constraints for the project may force design compromises. There are a multitude of factors to consider and juggle. The last thing needed is another complication. But is it considered how the client will maintain the asset over the next 25 to 35 years? What types of inspection and physical intervention maintenance will he need to perform and how often? How many man-hours will this entail each year and at what cost? What risks are involved in these tasks, both to the equipment and to the maintenance personnel? Most condition-based inspections, like infrared and ultrasound, must be performed energized in order to actually catch a problem, and this has inherent safety implications. Open panel inspections must be done in appropriate PPE and require a minimum of 2 qualified persons to work on energized equipment. The concept of maintenance efficiency may be just as important as energy efficiency in terms of impact on total cost of ownership. The good news is that designing equipment to ensure that energized maintenance inspections can be done closed panel via maintenance inspection devices does not mean you have to start over with the design choice process. This technology can be added as a retrofit. Adding multi-technology inspection windows to equipment may add 3 to 4% to the initial purchase cost, but this is typically recouped within 2 to 3 inspection cycles just from the labor savings of closed versus open panel inspections. End user clients will appreciate the extra thought put into their equipment design when it arrives with devices that facilitate safe and efficient inspection. Design engineers have a responsibility to ensure the equipment is fit for purpose, that it can deliver electricity to the end-use equipment safely and efficiently. However, thought should be given to make sure that same equipment can be maintained safely and efficiently over its intended lifespan.